Undress you cause you die, cover you as you decide. When you fall asleep inside my arms, may not have the fancy things, but I'll give you everything you could ever want. It's in my arms. So baby, tell me yes, and I will give you everything.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Makeup by Rainbow, and basically in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I highlight and contour and basically transform from being an egg to snatch. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve that. And if you guys are even new here, if you guys are just now seeing my face or coming across my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button in the bars down below. And if you guys have been subscribed, thank you guys so much, and you guys are really loyal, and thank you for joining the Rainbow Fam, the Rainbow Clan, and Rainbow Gang darling. Thank you so much. Yeah, let's get into this video. I'm going to be using the Black Opal foundation stick, and I'm going to be using Nutmeg. If this is not my go-to foundation, I normally use inexpensive highlighting stick, which is very close to the KKW highlight and contour quad. The only difference is this stick only has a highlight shade, not a contour shade, and this is literally $1, like $2, $1, like very inexpensive. We're going to be applying nutmeg in the center of our forehead and under eyes, on our chin, and I'm also going to be placing that under this area, and I'm going to be placing that also on the bridges of my nose. So I'm basically going to be putting this on top the areas that I just highlighted. We're going to be using a buffer brush, which this brush is very close to the Morphe brush, and these brushes are really good and really like affordable. And because I'm working with cream product, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm not swiping, I'm really just dabbing the brush. So now for my contour, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Highlight and Contour Cream Palette, and I'm going to be using this deep shade, which is basically the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm going to be placing that into the areas that I normally contour, which is in the corners of my forehead, in the depth of my cheeks, and on the bridges of my nose. So now for my contour, I'm going to be using a angled buffer brush, and basically I'm going to be using this because the angled buffer brush really gets in those areas. So, and I'm going to be blending that out, and as I said, I'm not swiping or wiping the product away, I'm just dabbing that into my skin. We're going to be using a smaller brush, and I'm going to be using this brush to blend out my contour. So to set my highlight, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to be going over that very lightly, and again I'm going to be using this damped beauty blender to apply my highlight. So I'm basically going to be placing that in the areas which I highlighted using the cream products. So while that is sitting on my face and basically baking, we're going to be using this highlight and contour trio from City Colors, and I'm going to be using this contour shade along with this small powder brush, and I'm basically going to be going in the areas in which I contoured. So for my nose and more detailed area of my face, I'm going to be using this very small angled brush, and I'm going to be using this to contour my nose. After we have completed that step, we're going to be using another powder brush, and this is a very like more not so dense powder brush, and I'm going to be using this to fan that translucent powder away. I'm just going to go ahead and finish up my face here, and I'm going to be back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, and yeah, this is how I contour my face and basically get my face looking snatched and very beat. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button in the bars down below, and you guys can also give me a like and let me know in the comment section down below which other in detail and very educational videos do you guys want to see next. Also, you guys leave me questions in the comment section down below because I'm going to be filming a Q&A. You guys can just leave your questions in the comment section down below and I'll get back to them. So bye guys.